Hello student, we learn about in the third chapter motion in plane. What is meant by projectile motion? In the projectile motion, when object is thrown with the initial velocity, its initial velocity is u. The object is thrown and the object reaches into the ground on the same horizontal surface. That motion is known as projectile motion. Like that, the chalk is thrown along with the horizontal axis. Therefore, the object is put on that horizontal surface, means on that straight line of the object is thrown from that point, making initial velocity, making with the angle with the horizontal surface is theta. The object is thrown with initial velocity, that initial velocity is considered as u. U is divided into two components, one is the vertical component and another is horizontal component. Horizontal component is u cos theta and vertical component is u sin theta. Therefore, according to the log parallelogram of vectors, initial velocity u divides into two components, ux and uy. The component along x-axis is u cos theta, means when the object is thrown and it reaches at the point A, the vertical velocity with Vy, means vertical velocity with Vx and Vy, it divides into two components, Vx and Vy. Therefore, that velocity is also denoted by u cos theta. Therefore, that component ux and uy, similarly Vy is the vertical component and ux is the horizontal component. But vertical component and horizontal component, when the path is covered and the object is reaches up to the point Q point, therefore in each case, in each point A, P, D, horizontal component of that velocity ux is the same. In all of that, the projectile reaches up to the ground, its horizontal component is constant. But vertical component of that velocity, its value is Vy, where Vy is the velocity, vertical component is 0 and Vy, vertical velocity of that component is negative because of that vector is drawn in downward direction. Means whereas the velocity increases, where velocity decreases at point B, at point A velocity increases, and when object is reaches up to the point P point, its vertical velocity is 0. Means horizontal component of that velocity is constant all over its motion along with the trajectory. What is meant by trajectory? The path covered by the projectile starting from that point O and it reaches to the point on the, it reaches up to the same horizontal level. Therefore, that path is covered, that path is known as trajectory of the projectile. When it covers a horizontal distance from that origin, means O, from the starting point of that projectile motion, therefore O to up to Q, that path, that distance is denoted by range of projectile motion. And when the range, it means along the x-axis component, and when the projectile reaches at maximum height at point P, it reaches the maximum height, then it is denoted by that vertical component, means it is denoted by D or it is denoted by capital H, means maximum height reaches the projectile from that horizontal surface. Therefore, that distance is known as maximum height of the projectile. Therefore, displacement along the x and y axis by using the kinematical equations, and displacement upon time is equal to velocity. Therefore, Sx means displacement along x-axis, Sx upon time is equal to ux. Therefore, t multiplied by ux is equal to displacement along x-axis, ux into t means means u cos theta into t. In that motion, where the acceleration due to gravity factor along the x-axis is 0, means gx is equal to 0. Only the acceleration due to gravity gy along vertical component, gy vertical acceleration due to gravity when the object is thrown in upward direction from the ground surface, therefore it can be taken as negative. Hence it can be taken as minus g. Hence Sx is equal to ux, t is equal to u cos theta into t. Similarly, the displacement formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. Therefore, displacement formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. By using that formula, ut means displacement along y-axis, find the value of sy. Displacement along y-axis, therefore uy ut minus half gy t square. But acceleration due to gravity of its value in vertical direction, it can be taken as negative. Half S is equal to ut plus half at square. Therefore, half gy means minus g, its value is minus g. Uy component, velocity component, uy is equal to u sin theta t minus half gt square. Therefore, sy is equal to displacement along y-axis. Now, we can calculate the range of when it reaches the same horizontal surface. To cover the trajectory, the total time is taken as t is equal to that path is covered when it reaches the maximum height, that time is required for t0, and when p2 up to q, when the projectile reaches from maximum displacement to the same horizontal surface, therefore it can be taken as same time, means t is equal to t0 is the ascent time plus descent time. Ascent time means its velocity will be increases and its velocity is decreases. Therefore, the projectile it shows a symmetry. Hence, t0 plus t0 is twice t0. Therefore, time of flight is t0 plus t0 is twice t0. But t0, that displacement is calculated by t0 is equal to u sin theta upon g. U sin theta upon g. Therefore, time of flight is 2t0 means u sin theta upon 2g. Time of flight. That is the formula for time of flight. Time taken by the projectile to cover the entire trajectory, that time is known as time of flight. Similarly, the horizontal displacement from the projectile covers the horizontal displacement from O to Q. Therefore, R is equal to, that distance is Ux is equal to R. That distance is denoted by R. Means horizontal displacement along the x-axis, that distance is known as R. Means range of projectile. R is denoted by range of projectile. Range of projectile. Ux is equal to R. Then R is equal to, that distance is Ux is equal to R, and capital T, it requires the total time to cover the entire trajectory, and when it reaches up to the point Q, when the horizontal distance is R. Therefore, capital T is equal to u sin theta 2t0 means 2u sin theta upon g. 2u sin theta, where 2u sin theta upon g. T is equal to 2u sin theta upon g. Means where the capital T total time requires, T is equal to total time covers the entire trajectory. Therefore, T is equal to u cos theta. T is equal to u cos theta into 2t0. Means u cos theta is the horizontal component. Means u cos theta into u cos theta is the vertical component of horizontal component, as well as Vx and Ux, means the vertical component of final velocity and the horizontal component of final velocity. Vx and Ux both are same. Therefore, displacement is equal to u cos theta into 2t0. Total time required. Therefore, that displacement is u cos theta into 2 into u sin theta upon t0. Its value is g divided by g. Therefore, 2u cos theta means u into u is u square cos theta sin theta upon g. But 2 sin theta cos theta is 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Therefore, 2 sin theta cos theta is u square sin 2 theta upon g. And that displacement is along the x-axis, means horizontal range, that capital range, that capital R, it is denoted by R is equal to u square sin 2 theta upon g. Horizontal range R is equal to u square sin 2 theta upon g. Similarly, we can calculate the vertical distance covered by the projectile. Means that displacement d, that is known as, it is also known as maximum height of the projectile. Maximum vertical distance of the projectile from the x-axis, it means horizontal surface, then it reaches the maximum, when it reaches the maximum height, that distance is known as height of projectile. Therefore, height of projectile. Height of projectile. H. Horizontal distance from the ground surface or from the x-axis. Therefore, that distance is calculated as vertical distance means Sy. Vertical distance Sy is equal to h. Sy is equal to h. But formula Sy is equal to u sin theta into t0. When it reaches the maximum height in time t0, means asset time, that time is required from when the projectile reaches to the maximum height. The time can be taken as t0. That time can be taken as t0. Therefore, Sy is equal to u sin theta t0 minus half gy into t0 square, where g is considered as acceleration due to gravity along the y-axis component. Gy is equal to minus g, hence negative sign can be occurred in that point. Therefore, Sy is equal to u sin theta t0 minus half gy t0 square. Therefore, Sy is equal to h, means u sin theta, and t0 is equal to u sin theta upon g. Substitute that value, u sin theta upon g minus half g into t0 is u sin theta upon g bracket square. Therefore, h is equal to that component u sin theta into u sin theta means u square sin square theta upon g minus half into u square sin square theta upon g square into g get cancel. Therefore, u square sin square theta upon g minus u square sin square theta upon 2g. Therefore, to multiply by in that side, therefore their subtraction is h is equal to u square sin square theta upon 2g. U square sin square theta upon 2g. When the range is maximum, when 2 theta is equal to 90, 2 theta r is equal to r max is equal to sin 2 theta is equal to 1. Sin 2 theta is equal to 1 means 2 theta is equal to 90. Therefore, theta is equal to 45. When r max is equal to u square upon g. R max is equal to u square upon g. When height is maximum, when theta is 90 degree, therefore theta is 90 degree means sin theta is equal to 1. Therefore, h max is equal to, when theta is equal to 90 degree, therefore sin 90 is equal to 1. Therefore, h max is equal to u square upon 2g. H max is equal to u square upon 2g, where that formula can be used by using R max and H max. That formula can be used, R max and H max. R max is equal to u square upon g and H max is equal to u square, u into u is u square sin square theta upon 2g and H max is equal to u square upon 2g. That formula can be calculated by using the relation of horizontal range, means where u sin theta is the vertical component and means u sin theta is the vertical component of that velocity means uy square upon